I'm Christoph Dorgai. I'm the Dublin Airport Account Manager for Brock Solutions. The main purpose of the project was to replace the end-of-life high-level control system in Dublin Airport Terminal 2 with Brock Solutions' SmartSort product in conjunction with Ignition SCADA.
My name is Li Lu. I'm the IT project manager for Dublin Airport. We were looking for a new solution that is flexible, easy to program, and therefore be able to respond to business changes with a short lead time at a reasonable cost. Using Ignition, we were able to build a flexible, well-tested, highly resilient SCADA platform hosted in the airport's own virtual environment, meeting both the business requirements and IT requirements in terms of availability, security, and integrations, etc.
My name is Mark Holbrook, and I'm one of the co-leaders of our SmartSort business unit at Brock Solutions. This project with Ignition uses approximately 100,000 tags, 2,300 visualizations, and is connected to 14 PLCs. We believe that this is the largest Ignition baggage handling installation worldwide. Brock Solutions decided to use Ignition for this important project because of the flexible pricing model, and also it was a great solution to some of the unique requirements that the airport had.
My name is Thomas Quinn. I'm Baggage Systems Technical Support for Terminal 1 Dublin Airport. So the main purpose of the baggage system is to deliver the bags from the check-in area to the departure carousels where the airlines collect the bags to load them to the plane. This system consists of a large number of conveyors, sortation devices, X-ray equipment, and higher level controls to route the bags to the correct destination. So Ignition has proven to be a go-to software for Dublin Airport. We have managed to solve a number of challenging projects using Ignition throughout the airport and not only in the baggage system.
Building on the templates that were developed for the project here at T2, we're now able to take those and apply them to future projects at the airport, as well as the recently contracted project that we have at Cork Airport.
My name is William Ennis, and I'm the Baggage Handling Systems Manager in Dublin Airport Terminal 2. This replaced our legacy proprietary system, improving efficiency and reliability. I'm very happy with the overall performance, and in particular in conjunction with Brock's SmartSort, we've reduced our manual encoding by 30%.
One of the main attractions to Ignition was the open platform that it's built on. This allows us to easily communicate with any of our other airport systems.
One of the key highlights of Ignition is the flexibility of the software platform. In cases of scope changes, requirement changes, it's easy to respond with a very short lead time.
So with Ignition's ease of development, we can now deliver projects within Dublin Airport under budget, low cost, and very low risk to the operation.
In order to reduce operational risk, we ran the new Ignition SCADA in parallel with the old SCADA for 4 months, which allowed us to do our testing without negatively impacting operations. The project was very successful. We were able to deliver the project on schedule, on budget, with a very happy customer.
Building on the success of this project, we plan to use Ignition for all future projects at Dublin Airport.
In addition to baggage handling, Ignition is used by multiple departments in various business areas in the airport to date. I'm convinced this will grow as more people are exposed to the benefits of Ignition.
This project has served as a showcase to other Brock customers that were considering using the Ignition platform. And a large number of those customers have also moved forward with Ignition installations of their own.